It's week 4 of the one room challenge and I'm making over my master bedroom, but I have a little bit of a surprise for you. I mentioned before that we're going to be adding an exterior door in the master bedroom to the backyard, and I keep saying how great it's going to be to have indoor-outdoor feel, but our backyard was never anything really to write home about, so I'm making over a small portion of our outdoor space to create a little seating area off of the master bedroom. Ross is home for maybe 2 whole days between gigs, and so I put him to work power washing the back of the house. So far, so good. He's a good assistant. Post with an electrical outlet on it is one of the biggest embarrassments of the backyard. It's just an extra tall post filled with termites. And then what is up with these nails? Their biggest embarrassment is this gigantic jacuzzi. The previous owner wanted a pool in the backyard, so he installed an 8-seater hot tub. We're gonna get rid of it eventually. I've recruited my friend Natalie to paint the jacuzzi from this red and blue color to a beautiful black. And she's the perfect person to do it because she can't really use her foot, so she just scooches around. Why didn't I do this sooner? Power washing the back of the house cleaned up all of the walls really nicely, but it actually made the windows extra dirty because of course we didn't spray those, so they just got filled with all the muck that was on the rest of the walls. So I'm going to show you my favorite way to clean them with a squeegee, a scrubber, a towel or a reusable rag, and then I like to use a mud pan with the water and just a little bit of soap. Here's how. Coming up, we are going to be adding on an extension of this deck to accommodate the new door from Pella that's coming in next week. Also, Kitchler is sending us some exterior lighting so that we can illuminate the backyard. If you remember a couple weeks ago, I removed all of the conduit from the back of the house, so it's now totally dark at night. So those exterior lights will be a welcomed addition for enjoying the new Story Modern furniture that we just put in. There's still a lot more to do in the backyard and even more to do in the master bedroom, so come back next week for even more progress.